In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and choose an AI agent option in Gumloop. This process will ensure you can seamlessly integrate your preferred AI functionalities into your projects with ease and efficiency. Let's dive right into it. First, let's start by choosing the right AI agent option within Gumloop. This choice is crucial because it determines the capabilities and interfaces you'll be working with. When you log into Gumloop, navigate to the AI Agents section from the main dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of AI agent options tailored for different needs. Whether you're developing a chatbot, automating tasks, or analyzing big data, there's an agent suited for your purpose. Take your time to read the descriptions of each option, ensuring you select one that aligns best with your project's goals. Once you've identified your AI agent, it's time to fill in the settings. Start with your input sources, which could be text data, voice commands, or any other form of data your project requires. Properly configuring your input sources is vital as it dictates how efficiently your AI agent will process and understand the data. Next, you'll need to select the AI model that will be the backbone of your operations. Gumloop offers a range of models, from pre-trained ones tailored for specific domains to more general models that you can custom train for particular tasks. Consider the nature of your project to determine whether a specialized pre-trained model or a customizable option is more suited to your needs. Specificity is key here. Think about the type of responses you expect from your AI and choose accordingly. After configuring the input sources and selecting your AI model, you need to link output actions. This step is about determining how the AI will interact once it processes the data. Output actions could involve sending messages, triggering third-party applications, or even executing tasks within the system. Carefully setting up these actions will ensure that your AI agent not only comprehends the input but also responds in a meaningful and productive way. Finally, it's time to activate your AI agent. Before activation, double-check all your settings, ensuring everything is correctly configured. Activation lets the AI agent start processing the data, responding to queries, or carrying out designated tasks. This step brings everything to life, allowing your AI agent to operate independently according to the parameters you've set. Keep in mind as you work through these steps that each project is unique, so feel free to revisit and adjust settings as you gather feedback and understand how your AI agent performs in real-world scenarios. With a thoughtful setup process, your AI agent will become a powerful tool in meeting your project goals. Now, capping it off, by following these structured steps, you're on your way to successfully implementing an AI agent in Gumloop. Get ready to see it in action and explore its full potential. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.